Cash out money from Prizepicks to Cash App. How to cash out money from Prizepicks to Cash App. So, number one, check your Prizepicks balance. So log into your Prizepicks account. Ensure you have a winning available for withdrawal. Only winning, not bonus credit, can be withdrawn. Number two, link a withdrawal method in Prizepicks. Go to your account settings or the withdrawal section on Prizepicks. Choose your preferred withdrawal method, such as bank account or PayPal. Prizepicks does not directly send money to Cash App. Number three, withdraw to your linked account. So enter the amount you want to withdraw. Submit the withdrawal request. Prizepicks may take a few business days to process. Number four, transfer from your bank or PayPal to Cash App. Now, if you use a PayPal, number one, withdraw the Prizepicks money from PayPal to your linked bank account. And after that, once the money reaches your bank, open Cash App and tap the Add Cash button. Enter the amount and confirm to load the funds into your Cash App account. So if you use a bank account, for that, after the Prizepicks withdrawal is completed, open Cash App and directly transfer the money from your bank to Cash App. Number five, verify funds in Cash App. Check your Cash App balance to ensure the transfer is completed. Now make sure to verify this. Always verify that your withdrawal details are accurate to avoid delays. Number two, contact Prizepicks customer support if your withdrawal takes longer than expected. So this is how to cash out money from Prizepicks to Cash App. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.